A delivery driver was getting $400 extra every month, money he never earned. For 8 months, he said nothing. His mother needed expensive medication. His bills were piling up. That extra money was keeping him afloat, but it was wrong, and he knew it. When he finally walked into HR to report the error, his hands were shaking. $3,200. That's what he'd have to pay back. His coworkers thought he'd lost his mind. His supervisor groaned about the paperwork. 3 weeks later, his phone rang. The CEO had heard about his honesty during a routine meeting. There was a promotion waiting for him. Regional logistics manager, $15,000 raise. His colleagues stopped calling him crazy. The man who chose integrity over easy money now manages an entire region. He could have kept quiet, no one was watching, but someone always is. And that someone is you. One honest decision didn't just change his career, it changed who he became. Integrity isn't about who's watching. It's about who's looking back at you in the mirror.